Welcome to where we explore our channel Quran and Science with fascinating intersections of science in the Quran. In today's video, we'll delve into the intriguing topic of science and the afterlife in Islamic tradition. Join us as we navigate the beliefs of the afterlife in Islam and how science interacts with this profound concept. In Islamic tradition, the concept of the afterlife is a central belief. Muslims believe in the Day of Judgment, where every soul will be held accountable for their deeds. The Quran, in verses such as Al-Baqarah 2:19-7 and take provisions, but indeed, the best provision is taqwa. So fear me, O you of understanding. In Al-Ankabut 29:64 in this worldly life is not but diversion and amusement. And indeed, the home of the hereafter, that is the life, if only they knew, provides vivid descriptions of paradise and hell, shaping the faith of millions. Science, on the other hand, primarily deals with observable and testable aspects of the material world. Exploring the afterlife scientifically presents unique challenges, but some aspects related to the afterlife are of interest to both scientists and the faithful. Near-death experiences, or NDEs, have drawn the attention of scientists and the faithful alike. Scientific studies by researchers such as Pim van Lommel and Sam Parnia have explored NDEs, often including elements resembling what some believe to be glimpses of the afterlife. In Islamic belief, the soul is an essential element intricately linked to the afterlife. While science explores consciousness and theories about the nature of the mind and the existence of a soul, such as the works of Stuart Hameroff and Roger Penrose, these questions remain far from conclusive. Quantum mechanics, a fascinating field in science, suggests that consciousness may play a fundamental role in the universe. Some have speculated on a connection between quantum ideas, as proposed by physicist Erwin Schrödinger, and the possibility of the soul's existence beyond the physical body. Science may not provide concrete proof for the afterlife as described in Islamic tradition, but it certainly offers intriguing insights and prompts thought-provoking questions. The relationship between faith and science is an ongoing exploration, and we encourage you to continue exploring, engage in discussions, and share your perspectives on this profound topic. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like and share it with others who might be interested. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content on the Quran and science. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.